Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have some exciting news for all educators out there, especially those passionate about teaching science. The NCERT has just announced a fantastic opportunity, a diploma in teaching of science at the middle stage, specially designed for classes 6 to 8. This diploma program aims to enhance your teaching skills and equip you with innovative strategies to engage your students in science learning. This online course is for science teachers of classes 6 to 8, focusing on professional development. It offers multimedia interactive materials for flexible learning with modules starting from basic concepts. What is the fee for this course? The course fee is a one-time enrollment fee of Rs 2000 with no additional charges. Payment is accepted exclusive online. This program is open to candidates with a BSc degree and a service teachers currently teaching science for classes 6 to 8. It also welcomes individuals with a diploma or degree in education as well as pre-service teachers pursuing their education qualifications. Finally, anyone directly involved in science education is encouraged to join. To enroll in the course, here's what you need to do. First, visit the website and make a payment of Rs 2000. Next, within a week, you will receive an email. Just click on the invite link in that email and follow the instruction provided. Finally, sign up and join the course to begin your learning journey. To complete the course, use a laptop or desktop with internet access. Sign in with your registered email ID and password on the NCERTx.in platform. You can access the course anytime 24/7 during the course duration. This course starts on October 21, 2024 and is expected to end by August 10, 2025. It includes 40 modules, each taking about 6 to 8 hours to complete. A new module will be released every Monday and must be completed within 1 week. All modules and the final exam need to be finished within 40 weeks. At the end of each module, there will be an objective test available for 15 days. Learners can take these tests at their convenience during this period. A final exam will be held at the end of the course, and only those who complete all modules and take all 40 tests will be eligible. The final exam will be timed and the date will be announced in advance. Once you successfully complete the course, NCERT will award you an e-certificate for teaching of science at the middle stage. These two members are the course coordinator who will be your guides throughout this program. If you have any queries, feel free to visit www.ncertx.com or email us at ncertx@gmail.com for assistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and educational content. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below with any questions or feedback you may have.